Ready to save money and the planet at the same time? Let's talk Mada solar panels. Picture this: lower energy bills, a greener planet, and hassle-free installation. That's exactly what Mada solar panels bring to the table here in Sri Lanka. Mada solar panels are redefining how we harness the sun's power. Whether you're a homeowner wanting to cut down on electricity costs or simply looking to reduce your carbon footprint, Mada's got you covered. Let's break it down. With Megapower Mada's systems, you get scalable and reliable solar solutions perfect for any home. Think plug-and-play convenience. No fuss, no muss. Just simple, sustainable energy. And with our mobile app, monitoring your system is as easy as tapping your phone. And it's not just about the big systems. Mada solar lights, beautifully designed outdoor lights, illuminate your garden with natural elegance. They're eco-friendly, stylish, and built to withstand the elements. Imagine your garden lit up naturally every night. But wait, there's more. Mad Solar helps you unlock amazing savings. With government incentives and reduced energy costs, your investment in solar panels pays off in no time. Plus, our expert installation ensures everything's set up smoothly and efficiently, so why wait? Join the solar revolution with Mada. Embrace a brighter, greener future for Sri Lanka and let the sun power your home. Remember, with Mada solar panels, you're not just saving money, you're saving the planet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to spread the sunshine.